Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up DynamoDB for serverless APIs with AWS Lambda step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the DynamoDB service. Click on the Create Table button. In the table name field, enter a suitable name for your table. In the partition key field, define a primary key for the table. Select the data type for your primary key, usually string. Configure any optional settings as needed, such as sort key in table settings. Click on Create to finalize the table setup. Once the table is created, navigate to the AWS Lambda service. Click on Create Function. Choose Author from Scratch as the creation method. Provide a name for your Lambda function. Select the runtime for your function, typically Node.js or Python. Under Permissions, select Create a new role with basic Lambda permissions. Click Create Function to proceed. Scroll to the function code section to add your code. Integrate the AWS SDK to interact with DynamoDB. Write the necessary code to perform operations like getItem, putItem, or query. Deploy your Lambda function by clicking on the Deploy button. Next, create an API gateway to trigger your Lambda function. Navigate to the API Gateway service. Click Create API and select HTTP API. Follow the prompts to define the API settings. Link your Lambda function as an integration point for the API. Deploy the API and note the endpoint URL generated. Test your API using tools like Postman or curl. Ensure that DynamoDB is receiving data based on your API requests. Check the DynamoDB console to view your items in the table. Review the CloudWatch logs to monitor execution and troubleshoot if necessary. Adjust IAM roles and permissions if required for security and access. Your serverless API with DynamoDB and AWS Lambda is now set up and ready for use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.